Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're continuing our theme of Italian style cooking, and if you've seen our last two episodes, we made some chicken with wine and capers and some rice soup. One thing we haven't done so far this season is make fish of any kind, and I thought we'd do that today with some red snapper from the Gulf of Mexico. We actually caught this while we were on vacation in Florida, so it'll be nice to bake it today with some seasoning and then get it in the oven. For our ingredients, this is our red snapper. We'll season it over here with some tomato sauce. This is half a cup. We have our salt, basil, cilantro, turmeric, and cumin. Before we start seasoning it, I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees, and then I put on a trusty cooking glove because we're going to start seasoning it over here. This is our half a cup of tomato sauce right there, and then we're going to go with some salt. Right there is good. A little bit of basil. Can't have too much basil. Right there. How about a pinch of cilantro here? That looks pretty good. Right there. We're also going to do a pinch of turmeric here. Oh, that's going to taste really good. And finally, we will do a pinch of cumin here. And then we'll just blend this on here to our fish. Make sure it gets nice in the tomato sauce with all the spices before we put it in the oven. And the last step before we put it in the oven, we'll just kind of cover it here a little bit with the aluminum just to help insulate the heat before we put it in the oven. Then we'll put it in our oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, we'll take it out of the oven, and then it's ready to go here. Then we'll try it here. It smells pretty good. You know, for my first time making fish, that's actually not bad. Tastes really good with all the seasoning. I hope you have a chance to try this red snapper, or really any fish recipe this would work with. And if you do, let me know what you think. Thanks so much to Mom for helping me today running the camera and helping out in the kitchen. And thanks so much to you for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. And we'll see you next time for another Italian style dish. Ciao.